When you're new to investing, it's easy to make mistakes, and some of them can cost you thousands of dollars over time. Today, I'll share 7 of the most common beginner investing mistakes and how you can avoid them. Welcome to Wealth Made Simple. Here we break down money, investing, and finance into easy, step-by-step guides. Let's get into the list. Mistake number 1. Chasing hype. When everyone is talking about the next hot stock or crypto, beginners often rush in. But by the time you hear about it, it's usually too late. Always research before you invest. Mistake number 2. Day trading without experience. Trying to buy low and sell high every day looks exciting, but it's almost impossible for beginners to win long-term. Most people lose money chasing quick flips. Focus on long-term investing instead. Mistake number 3. Ignoring fees. High brokerage fees or expensive funds eat away at your profits. Always look for low-cost index funds or commission-free platforms. Mistake number 4. Not diversifying. If all your money is in one stock or one industry, a single downturn can wipe you out. Spread your investments across different assets for safety. Mistake number 5. Emotional investing. Fear and greed can lead to bad decisions, like panic selling when the market dips. Stick to your plan instead of reacting emotionally. Mistake number 6. Investing without a clear goal. If you don't know why you're investing, you won't know what strategy fits. Define your goals, like retirement, passive income, or buying a home, and invest with those in mind. And mistake number 7. Trying to time the market. Even experts can't predict the perfect moment to buy or sell. It's better to invest consistently over time than wait for the right moment. So let's recap. Avoid chasing hype, day trading, high fees, lack of diversification, emotional investing, no goals, and timing the market. If you can skip these 7 mistakes, you'll already be ahead of most beginners. Which of these have you seen people make the most? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone just starting their investing journey.